fail in education, we fail as a nation. A country can have gold, power, or even people. But without knowledge, all of it means nothing. For what is people? If people cannot think for themselves, what is progress? If citizens remain uneducated and powerless, education is not just an option. It is the very backbone of our survival as Filipinos. Look around us. Poverty is everywhere. And ignorance continues to spread. Many students dream of study, but their schools are broken, their teachers underpaid, and their families are too poor to support them. How can we expect a nation to rise when its children walk miles just to reach a classroom? How can we demand change when many are denied the most basic right to learn? If we neglect education, we are not just failing the student. We are failing the entire Philippines. But education is more than diplomas. It is more than medals. It is more than high grades. It is the discipline to work hard. It is the values that shape our character. It is the knowledge that help us to prepare for the future. An educated Filipino is not easily be silenced by injustice. An educated Filipino is not easily be controlled by corruption. An educated Filipino is not easily be fooled by fake promises. That is why education is dangerous. Dangerous to lies, to tyranny, to oppression. And that is why education must never be neglected. Education holds the power to transform our nation. So let me repeat. If we fail in education, we fail in everything. But if we succeed in education, we succeed as a nation. Not weapons, not wealth, not empty promises can lift us from the poverty. For the Philippines will not be saved by money or power alone. The Philippines will be saved by power and education.